Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Do you want to earn while you live? Or are you looking for the ultimate investment property in Highland Close, Kingston? This is the property for you. The building is spread over 6,380 square feet of space, positioned over 13,600 square feet of land, spread over 3 levels as follows. Lower level has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms with living, dining, kitchen, washroom with storage space, and balcony overlooking Havendale. The middle level has 2 bedrooms with 2 bathrooms, living, dining, kitchen, washroom, covered parking for 2 cars, and a very long balcony with 180 degrees view of Kingston's plain and close by communities. Upper level consists of 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, living, dining, kitchen, washroom with large storage area. The L-shaped balcony from this level has a view that is incomparable. The yard parks 7 vehicles. The entire property reflects large sleeping, living, kitchen, and bath areas throughout. Lots of natural light and ventilation in a rather cool climate. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 86 million or US $558,700. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.